Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, 7th class? Today I am sending you the video about the last 2 pages of chapter number 6. See on page number 62. We are going to start reading point number 3, the hot desert region. The hot desert region covers the areas located between latitude 20 degree and 30 degree north of the equator around the Tropic of Cancer and between latitude 20 and 30 degree south of equator around the Tropic of Capricorn. Easily you can understand if we observe the map of the world. There we can see some parallel lines and one line which is divided the whole circle into 2 parts, and these points are called the poles, North Pole and South Pole, and a line is divided this circle, and this is called equator around the Tropic of Cancer. This region is situated mostly on the western sides of the big masses. The region includes some Muslim countries of the continents of Africa and Asia. The Muslim countries of Africa included in this region are Algeria, Libya and southern parts of Egypt. The Asian Muslim countries of the region are Saudi Arabia, the Yemen, Iraq, Iran and the Persian Gulf states. See here. The countries of the hot desert region receive scanty rainfall. The rays of the sun fall almost vertically on the equator, so the air over there is hot and its pressure is tropical, naturally low, but between 25 degree and 30 degree north and between 25 degree and 30 degree south in the tropical belts of calms, the pressure is high, as winds always blow from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Winds from these belts of calms blow towards the equator. Such winds which blow towards the equator are called trade winds. The trade winds blowing towards the Muslim countries of the Middle East and North Africa come from dry areas. They therefore lack moisture and do not cause rainfall. Another reason for scanty rainfall in these countries is that the trade winds blow from the north towards the equator. Winds blowing towards the hot places get heated up and no condensation takes place. These winds therefore do not cause rainfall. In the hot desert region, the summer season is considerably prolonged. It is very hot during the daytime because the sand is heated up soon in the sun and the temperature goes high. The hot winds blow and it is very difficult to work without cooling arrangements. That is why most of the people take refuge in their houses and tents. After sunset, the people get relief. At nights, the sand cools down soon and the weather becomes slightly pleasant. That is why the people of the desert region travel during the night. The public offices in cities close before noon and reopen in the late afternoon. The winter season is short and pleasant. We can observe this kind of climate here in Saudi Arabia. See, at the daytime it is very difficult to work outside in the sun, but night is a pleasant time. The hot desert region has no definite season of rain. There fall slight showers of rain a few times a year. Sometimes it rains so heavily that a lot of damage is caused. Then it may not rain for 3 or 4 years. Springs are found at some places of the desert region. There are some permanent settlements around these springs. Such a place is called an oasis. In the areas where river water is available, some good quality crops are cultivated. The countries in desert region are rich in mineral wealth. Now on the next page, see 7th class. Here this topic number 4 is Mediterranean region. Most of the Muslim countries are located in 3 climatic regions mentioned above. Turkey, Morocco, Tunisia and northern areas of Algeria are however located between 30 degree and 40 degree north of the equator. In this region, the rainfall occurs in winter season. It is known as the Mediterranean region. Its climate is quite suitable for the cultivation of wheat and fruits. Number 5, the Sudan climatic region. The Sudan and the northern parts of Nigeria are located in a region where rainfall occurs in the summer season. As it does not rain heavily, no thick forests are found in this region. However, long grass grows in this area. This region is called the Sudan climatic region. Till here 7th class, we have come to know about the different parts of the world where the parts, these are very close to the parallel line, these are very close to the equator, these are very cold and the far off places are hot. Just in the middle you can find suitable temperature. Now 7th class, from your exercise you will do question number 4. Where is the hot desert region located and which Muslim countries does this region include? You just do the first part. And number 5, in which season does the rain shower in the Mediterranean region? Number 6, where do trade winds blow and what is their direction? These 3 questions you will find from these 2 pages. Okay, now I am sending you the answers of these 3 questions. Read it one time again and then start writing the questions. Okay, Allah Hafiz.